creating motivating spaces is essential for fostering creativity, productivity, and overall well-being. The environments we inhabit have a profound impact on our mood and motivation levels. Whether it's your workspace, home, or any other area in which you spend time, making it motivating can significantly enhance your focus and drive. So, how can we create these energizing spaces? Let's dive in. First, consider the importance of natural light in your space. Natural light not only illuminates a room but also influences our biological clock and mood. Spaces filled with natural light can reduce stress and increase feelings of happiness. If you're setting up an office, try to position your desk near a window or utilize sheer curtains to allow sunlight to filter in. When designing living areas, think about maximizing light through open layouts or reflective surfaces. Embracing the sun's rays truly transforms an ordinary space into an inspiring haven for productivity. Next, think about the colors you choose for your environment. Colors play a vital role in setting the mood and inspiring creativity. For example, blue shades are known for their calming effects, making them perfect for focused workspaces, while yellows and greens can evoke feelings of positivity and creativity. Consider painting your walls or adding colorful decor that aligns with your personal style and encourages the vibe you want to create. Remember, the right color palette can act as a subtle yet powerful motivator throughout your daily activities. Another crucial aspect of creating motivating spaces is organization. Clutter can lead to feelings of overwhelm and stress, hindering your motivation. Ensuring that your space is tidy and organized can have a profound impact on how you feel while working or relaxing. Invest in storage solutions like shelves, bins, and desks with drawers to keep your items in order. Additionally, decluttering your space regularly can help in maintaining a refreshing atmosphere that promotes creativity and focus. Finally, personalize your space. Surrounding yourself with items that resonate with you, such as photographs, artwork, or plants, can inject energy into your environment. These personal touches create a sense of ownership and comfort, allowing you to feel rooted in your space. Incorporating elements that inspire or remind you of your goals can serve as powerful motivators. Whether it's a vision board or your favorite quotes displayed prominently, make sure that your space reflects who you are and what you aspire to be. In conclusion, creating motivating spaces is about more than just aesthetics, it's about forming an environment that enhances your overall quality of life. By maximizing natural light, choosing the right colors, staying organized, and personalizing your surroundings, you can cultivate an atmosphere that not only inspires productivity but also nurtures your creativity and well-being. Take the time to assess your current spaces and make the necessary changes for a more motivating day.